Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. This is Dr. Kirti Kanodia and enjoy the meditations that we are providing you. Stay tuned, be relaxed, and be happy. So, the liver is very important to let go of the toxins from the body. And if the liver is not in place, you can face, and liver is the biggest organ of the body after the skin. And liver is something that can actually, if it is not in process, it can create depression also in the person. So you have heard about anger. There's a lot of anger that we see in each and every organ of the body. But liver, uh, this, all of you can please keep yourself on mute. Yeah. So liver is one thing where you not only store the anger, but you also store your belief system towards your anger, your thoughts towards the anger, and you will also store your lot of defense mechanism towards the anger. So if what you do, when you store a lot of toxins in the body, obviously it will directly be affected on the liver, and liver will lose the ability towards excreting the toxins of the body. So today we'll be releasing all this thing out from the liver. Okay, all of you ready? Be very careful when you're releasing it out. I'll keep on repeating the process again and again so that you can clean your liver totally. Okay, all of you close your eyes and relax. Relax and allow yourself to breathe. Keep on breathing slowly from each and every part of your body until you reach your organ liver. Keep on breathing. Breathe in and blow out. Breathe in and blow out. Keep on breathing. And when you are breathing into your body, think of the emotion anger. And when you think of anger, which is the first color that comes in your mind? Usually it is red, but sometimes for different people it could be multiple colors. So the first color that comes into your mind when you think about anger. Make a note of that color. And throughout the session, when you have to release the anger, you can release the anger either in form of emotion, color, or vibration. And there is a possibility when you're releasing anger, there can be different colors coming up. So go with the flow as it is coming up. Now breathe. Breathe into your body. And take your attention from the top of your head till the toe of your leg while you breathe. Keep on breathing. In this quiet and comfortable position, just allow yourself to breathe into your organ, kidney. And one last time, allow your kidney to get rejuvenated. Kidney is major in excretion. Rejuvenate your kidney, and now slowly because if you regenerate your kidney, you will be easily able to regenerate every organ of the body. So first we'll regenerate the kidney for one last time, and then we will go to liver. So regenerate your kidney first, and then slowly now bring your attention towards your liver. If you see any spots, any discoloration in your kidney, first release that, and then bring your awareness back to the liver. Breathe into your kidney. Any discoloration, release it out. And if you're done, then bring your awareness to the liver now. Breathe into your liver. And when you're breathing into your liver, first thought, first impression, first feeling, see the condition of your liver. Slowly breathe into your liver and see, check, visualize how much anger you have stored in your liver. And when you think of anger, the color that has come up in your mind, you will see those colors in liver. This anger is not only the suppressed anger, but this anger also being generated when you blame others. When you feel that people are not kind to you, so today, at this moment, allow yourself to feel the organ liver that plays an important role to release the toxic from the body. Breathe into it and let go all the toxic of other people that you perceived and stored into your liver. Release it out. It's over. It ends now. Breathe into your liver. Give a color to the self-anger and release it out. I let go of all the anger that I have stored towards myself into my body in the organ liver is over. It ends now. So I let go of all the self-anger that I created in my body, in my liver, is over. It ends now. I let it go. Breathe into your liver and release it out. You can either use the technique of vacuum cleaner and clean your liver, or you can breathe into it and blow it out. You can either create a vacuum cleaner and clean your liver, or else you can just breathe into it and blow it out. So breathe into your liver and let go. Let go of all the self-suppressed anger. It's over. It ends now. Breathe into your liver and let go of the belief system that you created around the anger. Either you learned, you understood, or you have seen people behaving in certain way when it comes to anger. So let go of the belief towards the anger. Anger is not a necessary emotion into the body. So the belief towards having anger is over. It ends now. Let go of the belief. You believing in anger is a belief system that is over and it ends now. Let go of the belief of believing into anger. It's over. It ends now. Your thoughts and your training towards anger, being angry, is over. It ends now. So breathe into your liver, either blow it out or clean it up with the imaginary vacuum cleaner. I stop believing being angry. I stop believing showing the aggression. The need of anger and aggression is over. It ends now. Let it go. The more you let go, the more you release out the toxic of other people from your liver. And more you clear your liver, the liver will have the ability to clean the toxic from the body. So let go. Let go. I let go of anger. I let go of need of anger. I let go my belief towards anger. I let go my behavior towards anger. It's over. It ends now. I let go of all aggression and the blame, either towards myself or anyone around. It's over. It ends now. The need of blaming people is over. It ends now. Every time you blame or judge anyone, you're creating and picking the negativity of that person into your body, and that emotion or the negativity is being further stored into your liver. So today, at this moment, let go of all the aggression and the blame, either towards yourself or anyone around. It's over. It ends now. I trust and believe in myself. I love and accept myself. And I allow other people to be what they are. So once again, breathe into your liver and let go. Let go of anger, aggression, blame, your belief system towards anger, your thoughts, and your behavior. It's over. It ends now. Let it go. And more you're letting go, you will see the golden light from the sunlight is coming down and rejuvenating and repairing your liver, refreshing it and cleaning it. Allow it to happen. I allow my liver to get free from the emotional toxic, either of myself or that I have picked by blaming others. It's over. It ends now. I let go of all the emotional toxic from my liver. It's over. It ends now. And further, I allow my liver to let go any deep pressed emotions that have stored into it, whether it belongs to me or others. I let it go. I let go of all the emotional dramas that I created in my life that creates anger and frustration in me is over. It ends now. So the need of drama that creates anger and frustration in me is over. It ends now. I let it go. Breathe and release it out. And the more you're releasing, more you're creating the space for the golden sunlight to regenerate and repair your liver totally and completely. And the more the liver is getting regenerated, it's being strong and functioning to release the toxins of the body easily, joyfully, and happily. So once again, breathe into your liver and allow your liver to let go of all the disappointments and the irritation that has been created in your mind, either by the self or the others around. And it further gets stored into the liver. Is over, it ends now. So I let go of all the disappointments and the irritation towards the self and others. Is over, it ends now. Breathe into your liver and allow your liver to be regenerated. Free itself from all the irritation and frustration, disappointments and anger towards self or others. It's over. It ends now. Keep on releasing it. I am worthy of being happy, joyful, clean, and refreshed. I am worthy of being joyful, clean, refreshed, and happy. Breathe into your liver. Breathe. And one last time, let go of the emotion of disappointments, and defense mechanism towards the self and others around. So first, let go of all the disappointments that you have stored into your liver through the thought process. Is over, it ends now. And I replace it with ability to stand back again. And I let go of the poor defense mechanism that is fight and flight mode in me. I let go of the poor defense mechanism in me, that is fight and flight mode, is over, it ends now. I am balanced, integrated, and rejuvenated by itself. I am balanced, integrated, and rejuvenated by itself. So today, at this moment, I allow myself to let go. It's over, it ends now. It's easy for me to let go of all the hurts and pains that I have stored in a form of anger in me. So, the affirmation is, it is easy for me to let go of all the hurts and pains right now, right here, totally and completely. It is easy for me to let go of all the hurt and pain right now, right here, totally and completely. Feel the golden sunlight rejuvenating, repairing the functioning of the liver to the highest and best it can. Allow it to happen and say to the liver, it's easy for me to let go of my hurts and pains that I have stored into my liver in a form of anger. It's over, it ends now. It is easy for me to let go of my pains and hurts. I allow the sunlight to regenerate and repair the functioning of the liver to the best it can be. Feel the freshness and feel the ability to let go of all the toxic of the body by the liver happening to its normal, active, and the best it can be. Breathe into your liver and feel the liver absolutely normal, active, and functioning to the best it can. So one last time, breathe into the liver and say, it is easy for me to let go of my hurts and pains. I choose joy, happiness, and balance right now, right here. Feel it, allow it to happen, and keep on breathing into your liver. Keep on breathing. Feel the liver absolutely active and functioning to its normal. Say thank you to the sunlight for being there. And slowly feel your back, feel your shoulder, feel the top of your head, and bring back your awareness into the room. Integrate, 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 and open your eyes now. Integrate, 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 and open your eyes now, bringing back your awareness into the room.